It's my birthday. Thankful for everything that God has done and all of that. So I just want to take you people on how I go about the day. You understand? I just up and thankful. I don't even know if I'm going anywhere. Hey, this is what it is, Sha. But welcome to the channel, guys. Do enjoy the vlog and stay tuned. It's going to be a very short vlog because there's not too much activity, you get. So now let me go take my bath, prepare something to eat and get ready. So these are the things I'm going to use for my shower: my soap, my oil, it's palm kernel oil I rub, body mist, Sure, lip gloss, powder, and this is what I feel like rubbing today: my oil spray, oil perfume, Sugar Baby. Outfit of the day: this gown. So you don't just have to break the bank, you get to, do something elaborate. You can just take yourself out, give yourself a nice treat, cook for yourself and all of that. I'm feeling myself today. 29 years is not this. See guys, what I'm trying to show you people here, it's not as if you're going to break the bank. You can still do something nice for yourself that is, intimate. I'm going to take you through my dish and show you how I go about things in a way that it doesn't make me bothered, based on the fact that for now there's no money here. I'll still celebrate no matter how small. So that's what you should look at. Fine girl. I'm going to change this hair really soon. Then you're going to see how I look. You're going to see how I transform myself. Don't mind this look. If my friend sees this one, that she's going to crucify me. I'm about going out. I want to style. I'm not even styling my hair. I just want to do my hair. I look like better person small. So the main purpose of this video is for each and every one of us not to stress ourselves. If you only know they just do small thing. Don't try to overwork yourself or look for somebody that is going to sponsor you. Abi that is going to dash you money. You understand? The little that I can do and make yourself happy. That's just the thing. See me now. I've eaten that meal that I prepared, very delicious. I've eaten. Now I want to do a very light makeup, then go out. It's not as if I'm even going out for or to do anything. I'm just going out for a stroll. May no be say now only me and house 9 day. You understand that type of thing? This is in fact, this is among the birthdays that I've not received it. Me, I've not received anything at all. No parara since from when I know myself. No surprise birthday party or all those type of things. But in all, we move. I want to do my makeup and wear my clothes and start zooming.